Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless not entering into the pairing mode in 2026. So first of all, HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless uses a USB dongle connection for pairing. So pairing issues are usually caused by the reset problems or connection glitches. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to turn off your headset completely. Afterwards, simply press and hold the power button on your headset and wait for about 8 to 10 seconds. Keep holding it until the LED starts blinking rapidly. This indicates the pairing mode. Now, if you release it too early, it won't enter into the pairing mode. So make sure that you hold it for enough time. Now you just have to unplug the USB dongle from your PC, then wait for further 30 to 60 seconds. And after that, you just have to plug it back in. Then you need to turn your headset on again and let it reconnect. Now, if even after doing both of these steps, the pairing still fails, you need to keep the headset close to the dongle. Also, you need to turn it off and turn it on again and repeat the pairing process. And this is going to help the re-establishment of the connection. So that's how you can basically fix the pairing mode issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.